Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Crack It.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
In this video, we are going to discuss an off-campus drive which is Metric Stream Thrive on Risk. Now let's see what is about Metric Stream. Metric Stream is a market leader in enterprise-wide GRC and quality solutions. Its GRC platform is widely used in Fortune 500 and Fortune 2000 organizations in industries as diverse as pharmaceutical, high-tech manufacturing, energy, financial services, healthcare, manufacturing, food and beverages, and automotive to manage quality processes, manage corporate policies, manage regularity and industry mandated complaints, and corporate governance initiatives. So you can read all these about Metric Stream, and you can also visit their company website just by clicking on this link. Now let's see about the job description. So it is hiring for MTS member of technical staff profile for BE BTech. In that your branch should be computer science, information science or technology, or electronics and communication, or you should be from MCA. So only 2021 batch graduates are eligible to apply for this off-campus drive. So basically job title is member of technical staff and it is full-time. Work location is in Bangalore, and if you hired as in this Metric Stream, you will be getting around 6 LPA CTC, and service agreement is 2 years, and eligibility criteria is professional graduate in BA BTech computer science, information science, technology, electronics and communication, or MCA. Only 2021 batch graduates are eligible. We already discussed about this. And you should have excellent communication skills and a minimum academic CGPA that should be 8 CGPA in 10th and 12th, and in graduation you should have CGPA at least 8 to apply for this off-campus drive. And the preferred skills C, C++, Java, JavaScript, ES6 and RDBMS are the languages you should know. Operating systems Android, iOS, and technologies is SQLite and RESTful or GIT. Job responsibilities is R&D. As a part of core mobile R&D center, they will be developing Metric Stream mobile foundation frameworks, so which will be used by all GRC mobile apps, contribute to the entire application life cycle, solve problems independently, to work on new technologies, and to explore opportunities in a specific area, ensure deliverables are on time and meet the required quality and security criteria, troubleshoot issues, fix, test and deploy them with production quality. And deliveries, they will be working on client deliverables. And coming to selection process, you will be having online aptitude test. So basically test links will be shared to registered email IDs through this mail ID, and the test platform is in My Anatomy. And after, if you clear online aptitude test, you will be having technical interview, then later on HR interview. And guidelines or online test will be sent to the registered candidates who meet the eligibility criteria. So shortlisted candidates from the test should be available for the further interview process, like it will be held in online interviews, and the candidate should be available for immediate joining. You can fill all the details and apply for this off-campus drive. Apply link will be given in the description of the video. And now let's see the next job hiring, which is Altri Metric. Now let's see what is students and fresh graduates. You can read this. Basically, they are looking for students and fresh graduates with an attitude to learn and grow in a fast-paced environment as tech professionals. If you love exploring new ideas, technologies, and want to work on cutting-edge products and solutions, so come join our global team of 3,000 plus engineers who are creating some of the world's most innovative ideas and reshaping the future. So they are also having top 50 best places to work in India, ranked by the Great Places to Work Institute. Now let's see the requirements, required qualifications. So you should be Bachelor of Engineering. In that you should be Computer Science or Electronics and Communication or Information Technology, and you should be either from MCA, that is Masters of Computer Application. Eligibility criteria: in class 10th you should have 7 or above CGPA, and in class 12th you should have 7 or above CGPA, and in undergraduation you should have 7 or above CGPA, or 65% with no backlogs, average of 3 years, and you should have good communication skills and attitude. Location is Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune. So if you have any queries, you can simply write a mail to this email ID, and you can fill all the details. Guys, apply link will be given in the description of the video. Apply as soon as possible before link expires. So guys, stay tuned for more updates and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.